YouTube. Got me another unboxing here. This one I picked up from Nike about a week ago, so and I'm now just getting around to unbox it. So I'm just gonna jump right up into it. Oops. Let's see what I got here. Yep, as you can tell, the box has elephant print. Try that. Box is different. 1985 Air Jordan 1. Yeah, guys, I do. Box are different than these. So with no further delay, just let's jump into it. See that number right there? Another Smooth. Yes, guys, it's another one. As you can see, got another barcode here inside the box. Also one on the lid. Got that little green tab right there. So let's go. I wrap these up neat. Okay. Honest opinion, I think these better than the highs. I think I like the low better than the highs. Inside as usual. Reading size 10. Smell good too. Yes. So I like that little smooth leather in here. And of course you got the elephant print all the way around. Yeah, I think it's nice. In person. I wish they give us like an extra lace. Let me see. And that's neck. Oh yes, they do. Yes, yes. Definitely this lace. Not bad. Switch it out for that lace. Not bad at all. Not bad, guys. I was debating on these shoes. What I'm gonna do. Sometimes with Nike it's good to go for these little, you know, it's not that hype, but it helps your account, you know. You can't just go for hype shoes all the time. These help your account, and these is pretty decent though. Yeah. So smooth leather right here. Definitely, I like the quality. The quality on these is good. Definitely, nice little 360 around the shoes. Yes, guys, and these not going for much. So if you like these, you can pick them up off Goat for like my size, like $150, $160, somewhere there. So these pretty on the lower end. And I said, this is a nice. Put on a gray shirt, black pants. You know, match this up real quick. Nice little Saturday vibes. Date vibes, you know what I'm saying? A little quick run out. Run some errand. This is it. This is it, guys. You know, nothing crazy. And I picked this up like a week ago, as I said. Just get a chance around it. I will say, yes. Confirm. Giving me a little bit of Travis Scott A little bit, not too much. Yeah, a little bit of Travis Scott going on. Vibes. Other than that though, I like it. I like the box too. Yeah. Nice little leather, smooth little leather here. I like the tongue. How they put it in black. Yeah. Quality is nice. Nice smooth leather here. And here. Yeah. No glue marks going around. Yeah, this is good. This is nice. I think I'm gonna keep it in the collection. I was debating if I should, but yeah. Confirm. Confirm, guys. Definitely is a confirm. Remind me of these. Yeah. Still stock, guys. Yes, brand new. Smell that. Yes. Comment below, let me know if you pick these up and which one you prefer. Yeah. Yeah, these I'm gonna keep in the collection. And guys, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video so I can help build this channel. And don't remember, and please remember that I'm gonna give away one of those double up when I hit 50 subscribe. The double up from the Easy Day. Yeah, I still got that going pending. So yes guys, as I said, I do cars and shoes on this channel. About to get some cars content soon, guys. I just gotta get the right setup. Believe me, I have a lot of car content. I think that's what's gonna help me grow the channel more soon as I start put out some car content. But other than that, guys, just a quick review on the black cement, aka elephant print. I'm out, guys.